Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making the one and only classic Western omelette. To make this savory delight, you'll need 3 large eggs, a handful of diced ham, a quarter of a bell pepper, a quarter of an onion, a handful of shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste, a touch of butter or oil for cooking. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and give them a good whisk. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. In a heated non-stick pan, add a bit of butter or oil. Once it's sizzling, toss in your finely chopped onion and bell pepper. Sauté them until they're nice and tender. Now, add the diced ham to the pan and give it a quick stir. Pour the beaten eggs over the veggies and ham. Allow the omelette to cook on medium heat for a few minutes until the edges start to set. Sprinkle a generous handful of shredded cheese over one half of the omelette. Gently fold the other half of the omelette over the cheesy side. And there you have it, our classic Western omelette. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.